Hey, my name's Chris Ullom. I'm the owner of Midlife Fitness. I just wanted to take a minute to give a shout out to Alex, who I reached out to help me build a landing page for my business. I don't know anything about landing pages or anything technologically savvy, so I reached out to him because I knew from Twitter that he had created a landing page for one of my good friends. So I reached out to him, kind of let him know what I was looking for, and within 7 days I had a landing page that was exactly what I wanted. Like I said, I don't know anything about any of this stuff, so I basically just gave him the guideline of kind of what I was looking for, and he came up with the concepts, the fonts, the colors, integrated my scheduling into it. I couldn't ask for more, and I couldn't be happier with the work that he's done, and literally he did it within a week. It was crazy. So if you're looking for a landing page for your business, I highly recommend Alex. I had great communication with him throughout the whole process. Very easy to get a hold of. No issues with that whatsoever. So if you're looking for somebody who can get the job done for you in a timely manner, reach out to Alex.